Okay guys, so hi guys. As you know, I got this. And wait, I have all the poppets, only the poppets and the DIY squishies. But I have this first, which is this octopus puppet. I'm just gonna keep this here. I think I have like 2 of these. I have this hexagon. I don't know what to call this, bro. I'm very bad at math. And I have that puppet. I also have this alien puppet. Okay. And I also have this freaking butterfly puppet. I don't know how it works, but I don't know. And the last, I'll show you my DIY white squishies. And we got this sea lion, or what do you call it, guys? I think that's not a squishy, but it's a squish. And my DIY Aveti water squishy. I put water inside this. Okay, I put water inside this. Boom. Okay, and I put this inside. First, I put soap and I put water. Mix, mix, mix. There will be bubbles, I guess. Okay, and now we got this. This is a not very slow rising squishy, but it's just when you do like this, it just stay like that. It just stays like that. I don't know what to call this, but I call this a sugar stress ball. Yeah, never mind. The thing that I put inside is, I don't know. I forgot. I made this yesterday. Oh. The other one, the other one, it popped. I had to make another one, and then another one popped. And this is DIY squishy, but it just, I don't know what to call. Anyways, that's all. I was gonna show you my DIY squishy because the other one popped. So that's all. Bye.